In this video I'm going to show you how to see liked posts on Instagram. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram and get in your profile page. Here, select your menu, just tap on the three bars icon here, and here select your settings. And now tap on that search bar right here and type in a like. Then select manage likes, and here you see all the photos you ever liked on Instagram, sorted from newest to oldest. You can check them all, and if you want you can open any kind of that post and, for example, unlike it. And also you can use sort and filter. You can select start date and end date for that filter. For example, I will select that date, tap done and tap apply.